Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a pair of formal shoes. Can you show me some options?
Of course. Do you have any particular style in mind? For example, Oxford shoes, loafers, or something else?
I'm not entirely sure. I need something classic that I can wear to work and also to formal events.
Got it. Let me show you a few options. What's your shoe size, by the way?
I usually wear size 10, but it depends on the brand. Can I try a few on to see which fits best?
Absolutely. Here are a couple of pairs in size 10. You can try them on, and we'll see how they fit. We also have half sizes if you need a more precise fit.
Thanks. These look great. The black ones seem nice. Let me try them.
Sure. Here you go. There's a seating area right over there where you can sit and try them.
These feel a bit tight in the toe area. Do you have a size 10 and a half in these?
Let me check. Yes, we do. I'll bring them right over. Here you go. Let's see if these are a better fit.
These feel much better. They're comfortable, and the fit is perfect. How durable are these shoes?
They're made of high quality leather, so they should last a long time if you take good care of them. I recommend polishing them regularly and avoiding too much water exposure.
That sounds good. And what's the price for this pair?
These are $120, but we're currently offering a 10% discount on all formal shoes, so they'll come to $108.
Nice. I think I'll take them. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. You can pay by card, cash, or mobile payment, whatever is most convenient for you.
Great. I'll pay by card. Do you also offer a return policy, just in case?
Yes, we have a 30-day return policy, as long as the shoes are unworn and in their original condition. You just need to bring the receipt with you.
Perfect. I'll go with these then.
Excellent choice. I'll just ring this up for you. Here's your receipt, and you're all set. Thanks for shopping with us.
Thank you. The service was great. I'll definitely come back next time I need new shoes.
You're welcome. Have a great day.